Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not downloading on Windows 11. First, let's start with some initial troubleshooting steps. Please confirm your internet connection is stable and strong, as a weak signal can prevent downloads. Next, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus software or the built-in Windows firewall, as these can sometimes block installations. Also, make sure you have at least 100 megabytes of free disk space available. Moving on, clearing cached data can often resolve stubborn download problems. If you're using a web browser to initiate the download, clear its cache and cookies thoroughly. Additionally, navigate to your app data folder and delete any Roblox-related temporary files found there. After performing these steps, it's a good practice to restart your computer completely. This action helps to refresh all system processes and can often clear up any lingering issues. If the previous steps haven't worked, a clean reinstallation is often the most effective solution. First, completely uninstall Roblox from your system using the Apps and Features section in Windows Settings. Then, visit the official Roblox website and download the very latest installer file. Crucially, when you run this new installer, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to grant it all necessary permissions for a smooth installation process. Finally, let's ensure your system is optimized. Make sure your Windows 11 operating system is completely up to date, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Also, check for and install any pending updates for your graphics drivers, as these are vital for game performance and installation. Lastly, double-check that no parental controls or system restrictions are inadvertently blocking Roblox from downloading or installing correctly on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.